Hi, this is Emma from Enchanted Soul. In this meditation, we're going to let go of worries and regrets. So, to help you reduce anxiety, start by taking a moment to relax your body. Soften any unnecessary tension in your belly and shoulders, and find a posture that feels both relaxed and alert. Now, gently close your eyes and rest your hands in an easy, effortless way. Take a few moments to scan your awareness through the sensations of your body, and wherever possible, soften and release obvious areas of physical tension. Aware of your body breathing, your chest rising and falling with each breath. And now imagine standing in the street outside of your house with two heavy suitcases. And know that one of those suitcases is full of worries about the future, and the other suitcase, know that it is full of regrets about the past. Take a moment standing there in the street, holding these two heavy suitcases, and reflect about each one. Reflect about the future. How it will come on its own accord whenever it comes. And that most of what we worry about will never happen. Consider how the past cannot be changed. All we can do in the present is to learn from it. Put in whatever corrections make sense. Become more skillful. Become a better person. And move on. Standing there in the street, feeling the weight of these suitcases and absorbing the wisdom of your own reflections right now. Make a conscious decision. Do you want to drop the suitcase of worry about the future? And if so, simply drop it. Simply drop it. Then, standing there in the street with the other suitcase so heavy about the past, make a conscious decision. Do you want to drop it? And if so, just drop it. Just drop it. And as soon as you have dropped the two suitcases, walk into your home and take your seat right where you are. Plop down, so relaxed, like someone coming home from a long trip. Dropping suitcases and just relaxing. Rested in the present. Just breathing. Allow yourself to simply rest. Feeling a sense of peace, of joy, of well-being. A natural happiness. Always your true home. without carrying heavy suitcases of worries about the future or full of regrets about the past. Simply rest here in your body right now with total relaxation throughout your body and mind.